All right, so here it is, Saturday, February 15th. I'm doing something. Well, I'm not doing it. My main son here. Well, no, I can't say that just in case the other son's watching. This is son 1A. Son 1 is in Florida. But, you know, I'm getting ready for that neck surgery, so I'm trying to get everything taken care of. And this is the project right here that I've been putting off for 2 years, I don't know. And it's putting this gate up. Well, I've had it kind of propped up, and I had no problem messing with it, but something happens when I'm in my convalescence recovering from that neck surgery. My wife has to be able to get down here and close this gate. So me and the boy went today and bought a big old log of a pole, 2 smaller poles, some sackcrete. And Colton has done the majority of the work. I've helped a little bit, but I've had an epiphany. You ever heard of one of those, son?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. This is what my epiphany is. Putting up gates is just like your relationship with Jesus. You can't put it off. This should have been done years ago. Anyway, so yeah, if you're still putting you off your relationship with Jesus, don't wait till somebody else has to come dig the hole for you. And I'm not talking a fence post hole. All right, so we're going to go a little bit further. So that is today's chores. And like I said, I got my number 1A son with me. He's strong. Look,
Sometimes.
he's got the hair of Samson. That's why he's so strong. But anyway. Now, I was talking to Colton earlier about we might be one of these days selling out here and moving somewhere where there's more property. I'm going to tell him right now, don't worry, son. I'm not going to have you putting fence posts up around a big property. That'll be part of the deal if we sell out. And plus, we'll have one of them augers on the back of the tractor do this kind of work. Because if we sell out, I get a new tractor out of the deal too. Of course, that line of fence down there where the goats are, all those posts down through there, he dug all those posts, and then all the posts that come around on this upper side up to the other side of the old tractor barn up there. He dug all those, but his mama got involved with that. He ended up getting $5 a hole. Was that what you got paid?
I think so.
Yeah.
5 or 10, something like that.
Yeah. More to come. Now, if you never put a fence post in, folks, this is how you do it. You get the hole dug, and then you have to set the pole. You gotta make sure she's plumb and square to the world, or plumb square enough. My daddy was a stickler on things being plumb and square, and I'm well within the bubble with my 2 foot long level. So we're tamping just a little bit more of the dirt that we dug out, and then we're fixing to put Quikrete in there. I bet y'all didn't think 60 pounds of cement would fit in that hole. And we still have to tamp it down some. And they're calling for rain tonight. I'm not gonna pour no water on it. It'll set up. Happy day. All right, so me and son 1A got the post in the ground. They got cement around them. I got the brace laying right over on the ground. Next Saturday, I'm gonna put the brace between the gate post and the brace post and hang that gate. I just got finished filling up hay feeders for today. They're hollering for another inch of rain tonight, so I'm only putting out half a bale. And this hill up here has gotten some good seed bank on it. Now I think it's foxtail grass, so a lot of folks aren't real crazy about that, especially if they got horses, I think it is. But hey, if it'll keep my soil improving, if it'll give the goats something to eat and help choke out the dad blame broom straw, I'm down for it. So, but yeah, down here, I didn't see as much seed bank go on that. I guess what's gonna happen is the weekend prior to my surgery, I'm gonna get a big round bale of hay, and I hadn't quite decided if I'm gonna put it out on that hill back there and roll it down the hill towards that area, or if I'm gonna put it up here next to my tractor barn, equipment barn, and then roll it down that way. No, I'm sorry, I was going the wrong way. Like I said, I'm not good doing mirrored image and even in machining, and roll it down that direction all the way to the back corner area, and then whatever's left of that round bale, roll it down towards where I've already fed. I'm not sure how far round bale goes. Josh Stony Ridge never told me that. Hey Josh, just how far does the round bale unroll? So yeah, we've had a real overcast, muggy, almost miserable type day here in North Georgia. But was able to get that right there off my list. And also we got the roof cleaned on my mom's house today. You know, down the valleys where leaves gather. So overall, a good day. Thumbs up. So hey, I appreciate you watching. Smash that like button. Jeff Eubanks. See ya.